Hey cooks, today on the show we're going to make a chicken Cobb wrap. This has all the elements of a Cobb salad in a wrap. It's a fantastic sandwich. It's one of my favorites. So join me. Let's make a chicken Cobb wrap. So this sandwich has all those delicious elements of a Cobb salad. We're going to have roasted chicken. We roasted the chicken off last night. You could use a rotisserie chicken, but we roasted one. It has all those delicious elements like avocado and blue cheese and bacon, right? So our first step is to cook up our bacon. So I'm going to open up this bacon. Yum. And I'm going to cook up like a half a pound. We may not use all that, but at least we'll have a little snacking bacon, right? So the bacon fits into our sandwiches. I'm just going to cut it in half, and we're going to cook this part, and maybe a couple to grow on. And I'm going to put the rest of this in this bag so I can get it back in the refrigerator. Okay, it's bacon cooking time. So you could cook this in the oven. I'm just doing this as a shortcut, but usually I put it in the oven. Put it on a sheet pan, on a rack, parchment paper underneath, put them in the oven. It takes longer when you do it that way. Ooh, there's the sizzle of the bacon. The sizzle of the bacon. Already smells really good. So you kind of want to cook this crisp. You don't want it like soft. So that's what we're going to do here in this here pan. So as this cooks, we'll be back. Okay, our bacon is cooking good. Like I said, I don't want it to be super soft, so I am cooking it a little crispy. A little crispy bacon action. I like me some crispy bacon. You could use any kind of bacon here. You can just turkey bacon, pork bacon, whatever you like. So you don't want it super soft because it'll just be chewy in there. You want it like nice and crisp. Yum. So we're gonna prep the rest of our ingredients. So I hard cooked some eggs, hard boiled eggs. The way I do this is I have a special method, and it results in easy to peel hard boiled eggs. I'll leave a link up there so you can see, and in the description, so you can see how I make those. So I'm just gonna quarter these eggs. So there's our eggs. Look at that, perfectly cooked. None of that gray stuff in the middle of our eggs. I'm gonna quarter them like you do with Cobb salad. I'm gonna go ahead and put these over here. Oh, these look good. And I'm gonna quarter these. You didn't see that. Sometimes you gotta wipe the knife off just so you can finish quartering them, because the yolk gets stuck on there. That looks delicious. So, I'm going to cut some tomato. It's best if you get like grape tomatoes because they're easier to cut. I'm just going to wedge them and then cut them like that. Just make sure you don't have tomatoes that are like super juicy because it'll just juice up your sandwich. So next we're going to cut up a little bit of avocado, and I'm just going to take the avocado and go like this through my sticker. This avocado is really ripe. Yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a spoon and scoop it out. This is a really soft avocado, so it's going to be nice and rich. And we'll go ahead and scoop this one out. So it comes out in a whole piece like that. And we're just gonna slice it. I might slice it this way. A little ripe right here. Yeah. Just gonna wipe down my board real quick. So chicken. We roasted this chicken last night. Eric brined it and then he roasted it. It looks fantastic. So we kind of want chunks, and I do want to sort of cut it on the against the grain a little bit. I think we want about this size. This chicken is delicious. I'll put links above and in the description of how we do these chickens. But they're really, really good. Mabu's famous roasted chicken. Oh, this chicken looks amazing. Looks really good, Bill.
How's it taste?
Tastes delicious. So let me go wash my hands and we'll make the wraps. Okay, time to make our wrap. So I have a spinach wrap here. You can get these in most grocery stores. I'm going to make Eric's first. So he's gonna get, you can either use crumbled blue cheese or blue cheese dressing. I have blue cheese dressing because we don't have too many fancy stores that have super great blue cheese in them. Spread that around. So we're going to go ahead and put some chicken. Yum.
Leave room for bacon.
You want more bacon than chicken?
Yeah, this is a bacon wrap, right?
Bacon?
Mm-hmm.
We have some egg. Do you want avocado on yours, Boo?
You can put a piece.
We have a couple pieces of avocado in here.
Mm-hmm.
Yum. right? Couple slices of tomato, pepper. It's looking good. Sauté. We have a little bit of lettuce here. Couple pieces of lettuce for my boo. Now, can I roll it? The way you want to roll these things is you roll it like a breeder. Center in, this up, turn, and roll. Whoa. And we're just going to cut it on the bias. Ooh. Some of the avocado came out. That's all good. Oh my gosh, look at that. Delicious! 1 and 2. Whoa. You want me to make you 2 of these, Boo?
Sure, why not? You go a little easier on the
Ranch.
You can go a little easier on the salad part if you want to make it easier to wrap.
A little bit of ranch. See a little chunky blue cheese in there. Ranch. Did I say ranch? Blue cheese?
You did say ranch. I was going to not say anything because it tastes like ranch.
Yeah.
It's ranch with little chunks of cheese.
Give you some bacon.
Hey, use some for yourself.
Egg. A little bit of avocado.
A little bit. Might as well get some of that green stuff in there, right?
Tomato. Couple pieces of lettuce. Here I go again. Overstuffing it.
No, that's good.
In like a burrito. Up and over. Like that. And over. Yeah. And give us a little cut. That looks pretty yummy to me. So let me go ahead and make mine. Okay, Boo has his, and I just put mayo on mine. I didn't put blue cheese because I'm allergic to that. I got some chips.
Ebu is eating in simulcast.
So here's our delicious chicken cob wrap. We got chicken, bacon, avocado, egg. That's really good. Nice and fresh tasting. Tastes like a Cobb salad in a wrap. Really fresh tasting. You want some lettuce with some crisp on it. So you could take this wrap all kinds of different ways. If you're making a Cobb salad one day, you can just turn it and wrap the next. It's fantastic. And the chicken is nice and tender. Delicious, Bill. Thank you. I hope you enjoy this. I'm off to have lunch.